So it's been a weird couple days. My wife just told me, my wife just told me that we look alike. Anybody want to help me name this thing? Do you? Let's name it. One of the YouTube rabbit holes that I go down sometimes is a scammer calls. So there's these guys that they take calls from scammers, and sometimes they change their voice, but they conversate with them. They have a conversation with them. They waste their time and they learn stuff, and usually they just get lied to. It's pretty funny stuff. I've always kind of wanted to do it, and I did my own little version of it. It's pretty insane. Also, look it up after your dog. Continuing a very strange day, I just learned that I got quoted, I guess. A tweet I used was quoted in an article in a San Francisco newspaper. Shout out to the Orlando guy, my buddy Richard. Check out his YouTube channel and his Instagram. I'll link to him below. But yeah, I didn't even know. Thanks for letting me know, San Francisco. So apparently the article is about adults who are crazy about Disney and how they take it too far and act a fool. And I agree. And I tweeted about it, and I think there's a whole video that I need to put out on it because it's been kind of driving me crazy. So I think I'm going to share. So woke up yesterday morning to the news of Colin Powell passing. Great American hero. I had a small rubbing of elbows with him, connection, very, very small. So I've been thinking about these 3 videos I need to do. Colin Powell video, explain the connection I had, again, very small, and talk about some of his leadership beliefs, talks, teachings. Then this insane was quoted in a San Francisco newspaper, and I didn't even know about it. And then the scam thing. So I've got 3 videos that I really need to make, and I'm guessing that's gonna be 3 different videos. Colin Powell, the scam thing, the San Francisco newspaper quoting me. It's been a weird week. Check out the moon. It's pretty cool, right? Sorry, I had to show you the moon. That is cool. I hope it comes out on video, but in real life, it's gorgeous. How about my Dodgers?